Welcome to Free Magic Fun. On this channel, I want to teach how to do magic. Mostly beginner, some intermediate magic. Lots of crafting. I do like crafting my own props, and I will be teaching how to do that. Some of the props are pretty easy. Standard tricks. This is not a reveal channel. I will not be disclosing protected tricks. There's a lot of basics to learn. You're going to have a lot of fun, do a lot of crafting. Check out the blog, FreeMagicFun.com, for more information and some free downloads. I want lots of comments and questions here on the channel and on the blog. Make this a lot of fun. Magic is to be enjoyed, and that's what this is all about. Keep practicing. For more detailed instructions and pictures, please visit the blog at FreeMagicFun.com. Keep practicing.